Hi everyone, Sunday the 15th of January. Just going to have a quick look or an overview or an outlook of the DAX chart for the week. Um, Very similar story really. So this is the weekly chart. We had this up last week as well. Broke through a trend line, broke through, retest. Maybe was expecting it to come back to retest the trend line, but it didn't. Um, it's actually it's come back and it's bounced off this support level here. That's giving it a base to go through. We've got another support level here, which is these sort of triple tops here. It's gone straight through that around the 14,750 area. The last area for me was here, which is sort of late 14 or mid 14.8s or something around there. Again, it's just gone straight through that. I think that was the only area that had a little bit of a muck around last week, but it's still uber bullish for me. Um, we have got extensions above on this move here. So we've got 15,043, 112 entry, 15,353 and 15,773 up here. Interesting really, because if we bring this up, actually let's do it still on a daily chart, get a cleaner view. So if we just bring that up to this 15,773, we'll just see if we've got any complements here, which we have here. It's been used here, here, here. So it's definitely an area that's going to get a reaction, no doubt about that. But let's have a look from a day trading perspective. This is my standard fib set that I'm using. 147, let's put this on a 15 min. 147 was the key area that we were all going for last week, and it did do it last thing Friday. Washed that out nice, so it's completed that fib set. 15,240 sits above the 123 extension off the high pull. That is probably in play now. Downside wise, I'll be looking for this 14,994 to hold. If it enters that fib set, you got 14,844 and 14,815 below, which is a 38 high pull. That really needs to hold if it is going to have a pullback. Anything below that, and I'll be more in bearish mode, but I'm still bullish as I sit here today. What I'd expect was I expect a little jump up, maybe pull back, and we're going to get a bounce off of one of these levels. 15,240 is the first target for upside. Above that, 15,377 if it wants to go uber bullish like it did last week. Sounds a long way off, but actually out of interest, let's have a look and see if we can. Let's just do a pull on the new extension to the new extension. Yeah, it's quite interesting now, because if we do a fib in fib pull here, we've got 15,771 as an entry to this fib set and completion at 771. I'm on that other chart, we had 773, so that is a double confluence for me. And it's an extension, and the extensions, as you probably know, are my favorite fibs. So I'd have to say 773 would be a target if we start washing through this lot, but it's quite a lot of work for it to do that. There'll obviously be a bit of a ladder to it on the way up, but the floating fibs are going to pick up a lot of that and provide some levels on the way up. So same story really, 15,147 to hold. It's more than welcome to hold on these numbers down here. Ultimately 14,994, still bullish on it. Looking for 15,240 as my first port of call, and then I can reassess from there. See you on the next one.